welcome to this channel. I am the Profitable Man. I make content about personal finance, cryptocurrency, stock market, and how to make money legally online. If you are just coming to this YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe. I love you guys. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to invest into mutual fund. And let me quickly explain what mutual fund means to you. So what you need is just download your PalmPay. If you have PalmPay account, you can also do this on Cowrywise, but I'll be using PalmPay for a practical section now. So the first thing you need to go is to click on Wet here at this down board. Click on Wet. So once you click on Wet, just come scroll down like this, you'll see something like mutual funds. So just click on mutual funds like this. So before we continue, let me quickly use some minutes to explain the meaning of mutual funds and how mutual funds work. Are we together? So when we're talking about mutual fund, so mutual funds are investment vehicles where money from multiple investors is put together and managed by a professional fund manager. Are we together? Just like they gather money from the investors, they pool money together, and this money is not going to be managed by you but by a professional fund manager. And the fund manager and this fund manager people, they invest this money into a diversified portfolio of assets like stock, money market instrument based on the fund's objective. As you can see that we have different funds there. We have different funds here. So let me explain each funds to you one by one. And don't forget, before we move forward, one of the important or the key benefit of mutual fund is the fact that you are not the one that is going to manage it. It will be managed by professional management. Are we together? And also, one of the key benefit of mutual fund is diversification to reduce your risk. Are we together? So the third one is the flexibility to match various financial goals. It's so flexible. As you can see, as I continue, I will be explaining every other aspect of mutual fund to you. But don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the notification bell so that anytime I drop a profitable content, you will be one of the first person to see it. I'm the Profitable Man. I love you guys. So let's go to the type of mutual funds. As you can see them, we have plenty of them here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 here, and I'm going to explain the difference between all these mutual funds for you right now. Now here where I stand, I can explain now. Are we together? So the first one is money market fund. How can we see ARM money market funds? So when we are talking about market funds, AR market funds, ARM money market funds. Okay, this invest in this kind of investment. They invest in a short term, low risk security like treasury bill, commercial paper, and certificate of deposits. Like if you put your money in this kind of investment, one of the goals of this money market fund is to provide stability and liquidity with minimum risk. Like the risk no even plenty at all. It's very just small risk you are going to take. You understand? And it will provide stability. Like your capital will be stable, preserved, protect. You understand what I'm trying to say now? So this kind of investment is for investors seeking a safe place to park their cash for a temporary time. Like, okay, maybe you're not going to use your money in the next 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, 5 months, 6 months, and you just don't want your money to be sitting down somewhere doing nothing. Are we together? You can put your money in the money market fund. So you can see that in the last 1 year, this money market fund has returned 21.26%. Are we together? It has returned that. So let's go to the other part of it. You can see that they invest, you see fund composition, they invest in the short term instrument and government securities. Are we together? So let's go to the second one. Make I explain the second one, which is short terms bond funds. So when you're talking about short-term bond funds, these are the kind of bonds, these are the kind of funds focused on bonds within short maturity years, like maybe 1 to 3 years. You understand? Like, the goal of this short-term fund is to offer a steady income with low risk compared to long-term bonds. Like, if you want to invest into this kind of fund, that means you're a conservative investor looking for a moderate return with low volatility. Like you just want a little little, you don't want your money to just go down boom, but you want to receiving a small small amount of increase on your capital. It may be small, but you sha want to protect your capital and want to be making money small small. So let's go to the aggressive growth fund number three. So dis kind of funds, dey invest heavily in stocks of companies with high growth po ten tial, and the goal of dis investment is to achieve a significant capital appreciation with higher risk. You can see aggressive there. This one is for aggressive investors, you understand. Like they invest into stocks. This kind of money, this kind of mutual fund can give you big returns within short time and can also go down based on the market performance. Are we together? So let's go to the discovery fund. Discovery fund focus on undervalued stock with growth po ten tial. Are we together? This discovery, they used to look for undervalued markets, like the market that are not the companies that are not really doing well, or people undervalue them, and they invest into them with the hope that okay, um I mean, this market will increase one day. And the kind of investors that invest into this kind of discovery fund are the investors who are willing to take calculated risk to uncover hidden opportunities. Like they just want to uncover hidden opportunities. They were betting on it that okay, all this market, all this company, they will do well in the future. Are we together? So now let's go to the last one, which is ethical funds. This kind of funds, they invest into companies that aligns with specific ethical, social and environment principle. Like they don't invest into all these people that sell maybe tobacco, or people that sells smoking, alcoholic stuff. You know, it's ethical, it's religious aligned, something like that, something that is moral. So no, this is just for the investors who prioritize values alongside financial return. Are we together? And the one of the major goal of this ethical fund is to provide returns while you are still adhering to moral and social responsibility, I mean responsible standard. Are we together? So one of the advantage of this thing is that you can invest low as 200 naira, 500 naira into this kind of investment. Like this ARM money market fund, you can just invest like just, you see, let me type 1000 naira. You see, you can put 1000 naira, so their fee is 15 naira. So you can just buy with, just click on confirm. Me, I don't have money now. I would have bought, but I don't have money, so let me just leave it like that. Just click on confirm pay, and then every day like this, they'll be giving you updates about what is going on, about amount of money that is adding to your portfolio every day. Let me check my portfolio. You see, I have 2000 naira here. I think you see my returns every day. Total returns 3 naira. Yesterday's return 1 point. I think every day I'm getting about 1 naira point 10 kobo every day. You understand? So this thing is just coming up every day, coming up every day, coming up every day, and it's very safe for a beginners. It's very safe for beginners, where to put your money to be making your money working for you while you are sleeping or without your attention. So that is how mutual fund works. If you love this video, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, and you can also watch other video whereby I teach about stock investment, ETFs, and how to maximize financial market in Nigeria, and also to invest into US stock market. Thank you so much. I love you guys. If you have any question, don't hesitate to type in the comment section, and I will give you prompt answer. I am the profitable man. I love you. I love you all.